Jetzt wir wünschen dem Kolesa Gitter Fran, a friend, Ruchel, Familie.
What's your last name?
Ruchel Anchel.
Hey!
Hashem Fai Mazel Jetzt wir wünschen dem Kolesa Gitter Fran, Mendy Cohen. Hashem Fai Mazel
That's probably time up for today.
It is.
Tomorrow we'll have more songs, right?
Yeah.
Songs are good.
This is more singing.
Yes, I think so. That would be great. That is wonderful. And, but let me just say one thing or two. We are having a language circle today at 1:30, but it's for the beginners especially. The idea is let's get everybody speaking, without, worrying about, just kind of speaking like fluently, because you're hearing a lot of Yiddish around this week. Some of us are totally forgetting to speak English. So it would be really great, if people kind of got more into that. That would be great. So that's at 1:30, is that right? Where? Yeah, exactly. Library. Library. And if there's like, now the other thing I want to tell you is at 3 o'clock, So-Called is here, Josh Stolgan, and I really recommend this. This is actually our program. The one at 3 o'clock. Josh is a guy who, he's a hip hop artist who basically grew up also with this culture, and he really combines the two in a way that pretty much nobody else does. And it's really interesting to hear how he does that and how that works for him.
And hear him talk about it.
To hear him talk about it is great.
My second is very strong.
So please come to that workshop.
Don't miss hearing Josh talk about it.
Yeah, definitely. And the concert tonight also will be, is very much a concert of people from your generation, very much. So it'd be good to check that out tonight for sure. If you're gonna, let me just think if there's anything else to tell you. No, I think that's it for today, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. Discovery Project applications, right. Janet has gotten them, she thinks, from everyone. So if there are any more, get them to Janet right away today, because we want to look at those and make decisions on both kinds of fellowships. Okay, thanks a lot.
Schönen Dank, Herr, für unsere Sendung. Okay.